Hi everybody, in this lesson I'm going to talk about null safety or how to work with nullable or non-nullable type in Kotlin. And let's start with a blind project, and now we want to add a variable, a null not null string. It is a normal string that cannot be null. It means that when you set this value to null, it will throw an error. So let's set up a little bit. Not null is equal null, so you cannot set to null. It will return error immediately. So, and what about how to set this null? For example, we have a nullable string. You only add the question that can be null. The question means that you have a question, not null or null, and okay, it can be null. So if you set this to null, it is okay, or you can set this to null. Set a question to null. Question means that null or not null. Yes, it can be null. Okay, so you can also print out a nullable string. Yes, it will print that a nullable string is equal to null. And now I have a variable length, means the string length of a nullable string, and this will choose an error because it will be nil, and then the length cannot be get. And what can I do in this case? Now you can check whether the null string is null or not by using if. If it is not null, you can get the value by nullable string dot length, and else it will return to -1. So it is a very common use when you want to check a variable if not null. But okay, print out first. Okay, length is equal to -1, and this is a value when it is null, -1. So another case we can use an common that you check safety to get the value, and then you use an Elvis operator. The Elvis operator means that set default value when null. When it is null, it uses the Elvis operator. So this is more concise, and in this case, if it is not null, what can I do? And in this case, a nullable, you make sure 100% that it is not null. So you can get the value by using exclamation double exclamation, means that you make sure that it is not null. You confirm that it is not null, then you can use it. Okay, so you can use it. Okay, because it is not null. But in the case it is null, you set it to null, and you also use double exclamation, so it will throw an error of null pointer exception. It's very common in Java programming language. Yes, so please use it whenever you ensure that it is not null. So what about the nullable list? We have a list of integer, and inside the integer the value can be null. So we have a 5, we have a 3, etc., and nulls and 7. Then we define the in list from nullable list dot filter, and filter non null means that it will automatically remove all the null element and get not null element. Yes, you can only use this function and print out in list. Okay, and you see that the output is every null element is removed. Okay. Okay, and this lesson talk about the safety null